my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is again about Jupiter transition. So Jupiter transited from its own house Sagittarius to move to Capricorn. Capricorn is the house of karma and Sagittarius is the house of spirituality. So it has moved out of its own house to Capricorn, and this happens once in a 12 years. Once in a 12 years these things happen. So it is now in karma's house. Capricorn considered as a karma's house and Sagittarius considered as a house of spirituality. So it has moved to the house of karma, and it has happened on 20th of November. And from since then, all the zodiac sign got some of the other effect of Jupiter, because you all know that Jupiter is basically the planet of wealth, planet of good well-being, planet of prosperity, planet of financial well-being, and the planet which brings good in your marriage life or married life or in your love life too. So it affects on every prospects of our life. So it has also affected because of its transition to Capricorn, the house, the sign of Capricorn. There were many things changed in your life. So I just want to explain how your sign, your zodiac sign got affected because of this transition. So yesterday we already read for Aries, we read for Aries, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, and Virgo. We covered 6 signs, and today we would be covering Libra, Aquarius, and Pisces, and Scorpio, and Sagittarius and Capricorn. So we would be doing all 6 zodiac signs reading. Now you may ask me that how do I do this zodiac sign reading? What is this based of this zodiac sign? What is the base of this zodiac sign? So this is according to your horoscope. If you have your horoscope, your kundali, your janam patrika, whatever your janam patrika, kundali, and horoscope says your zodiac sign, that is your zodiac sign. If you do not have that, there were many apps from where you can quickly see what is your zodiac sign according to your date of birth, place of birth, time of birth, and your according to your name. And these apps are easily available on Play Stores. So either you use iPhone or Android phone, you can easily upload from Play Stores and you can check your horoscope, or you can get your free zodiac sign. It will tell your zodiac sign according to your date of birth, place of birth, time of birth. This video is in English, so if you are my Hindi channel subscribers, or if you only understand Hindi, so you can wait. I would be uploading same video on Tuesday or Wednesday of this month, the next Tuesday or Wednesday. So that would be either 23rd or 24th of this month. So let's get started quickly. We will see that how Jupiter is affecting on all other sign after this transition. So let's get started from Libra. How this transition is affecting on Libra. Ace of Swords, the Empresses, and 7 of Swords. Nine of Swords, 5 of Wands, King of Swords, and 4 of Cups. King of Wands and Fool. Okay. I just adjust the camera quickly. It's tilted. So I have adjusted camera, and I think you can see all the cards now. So basically how Libra got affected for Jupiter transition. So I am seeing Libra, you have a very good chance of purchasing any real estate things or vehicle. That means you can purchase your own land, or you can purchase you can actually purchase your new vehicle, which is would be four-wheeler, two-wheeler, or whatever it is. And if you are looking for higher study, this is the best time to go for higher study. So till the date probably you have tried for big companies like Google or Microsoft or anything like anything that sort of company, and you dreamt about it, but you never got a chance to join those companies. I am seeing that this is your best time to join those company. If you want to give interview, you can go for an interview. You would definitely get through in interview. Probably you have dream to join Target company like Target. You have dream to join companies like if you are from FMCG background, MACD, so you want to probably join as a manager, supervisor, senior supervisor, and you never thought that you can do that, or you never got any chance to do that. But this is the best time. You can actually try for a big company. You can definitely try for interview, and you will get through in interview. And if you are this is a very good time for learning a new technology. So if you are thinking about learning, suppose I am you are a teacher and you want to learn something into creative field like graphic designer or graphic designing, you can go for it. You can easily learn it because your focus would be totally into learning and education. So higher study is very good for this time. And interview, if you want to clear in any you want to clear any interview, this is the best time. About your health, you would be you would sleep a lot. This is a time where you'd like to sleep, you would become little lazy. But I would tell you to focus on your interview process, because wherever you will give interview, you would get through. Now there were some more things which I would like to discuss with you, and which is very important also. I am seeing that you are leaving your homeland and going to some other place, or you are leaving your current location and coming back to homeland. So that could be you are in some foreign country and coming back to your own country, or you are planning to go for some foreign country trip or somewhere you want to settle down. This is the best time you can apply for visa, because you would definitely get visa. So city changes, I'm looking at your card, and I can say that you can quickly change your city. Now if you are planning for social media work, like social media business, based on social media business, like you are into trying for retailing or e-commerce business, like you want to pull your business into Amazon or Flipkart or this kind of site, or if you are doing some food business like Swiggy, you want to collaborate with Swiggy or Zomato, this kind of things would work out very well for you. You would be successful in the business. And that is what it is. So this transition is very interesting for Libra, and what I'm seeing, like this transition is giving you lots of fruitful activities. Now in your love life, I am seeing that you would be very going through a little tough time. You would have conflicts also with your loved one, and you probably think that this person doesn't love you or something like that, but it's not like that. It's like just for a few months, next few months, 6 to 7 months, you would think that the person whom you are loving, they are not willing to commit you, but slowly gradually I'm seeing that they would commit you and they will come back to you. Initial stage, I would say yes, now there is a third party in your love relationship, but they would not stick back. After this transition, something good result will come up, and you they won't stick back. Your partner won't be able to be with the third person. They'll definitely return to you and ask for marriage, but at present for next 4 to 6 months you have to go through a little difficult time. If we talk about love part, like love marriage or something, love marriage or marriage part or love part, love life is like you are little unlucky in the love life, but it is just for 4 to 6 months. After that, I am seeing that there would be a good time which is coming in your life. So that is all about it. If you are looking for marriage, you are planning for to get married to this time, I would say no. Don't go for marriage at least for next 6 to 7 months, because there would be something can happen, like some fraud things can happen here, and somebody may cheat you. Maybe you will find out, like arranged marriage and everything, you will find out that the person is already married, or they are lying to you for some prospect. So don't look for marriage proposal at least for next 6 months. So that is all about Libra. Let's come to Scorpio. Now we will quickly see Scorpio's reading. So Scorpio, after this transition, like Jupiter is transiting, this transit is happening in your third house. Basically, they are entering in your third house, so you may travel far away, like far off from your family. So this is, if you are looking for a visa like any other country, so this is the best time to get visa. So you would definitely get visa very quick. Like if you are looking for visa, then it's the best time to get visa, and you definitely get visa. And if you are looking for PR or something, so this is the best time, try for your PR. And now I'm seeing that if you are in writing or creativity or social media site, you would be very successful in social media work. If you are a blogger, you are a YouTuber, then you have a huge success here coming in, huge success coming in. And if you want to travel down some foreign country, do some work related to foreign country, then this is the best time to travel down and do something related foreign country. You would have some conflicts with your friends, so avoid getting such topics, avoid entering into such topics where like in discussion, if you are getting into some heated discussion, like you are involving yourself into, avoid involve yourself into heated discussion. Like if you are observing somewhere that okay, somebody is doing some heated discussion over there, so you just ignore that discussion, or just get away from that, get rid of those things, because it's not a good time for friendship. Like you would definitely, your friends and family, you would have some conflicts with them, and I'm seeing some argument will happen, so avoid arguing with anyone. So that this is the word I was trying to find out. Okay, so avoid argument with anyone, no matter it is your family or friend. It's not a good time to have argument, so don't go for any argument. There could be a chance that you would end up talking rubbish with your family or friends, and they will there would be a huge conflicts, and after that you would not like to see his face or her face, and they would not like to see your face. Now I am seeing couple of things like in your marriage situation. I am seeing that if you are a single person, you would get many proposals this time. There would be too many proposals coming in your way, and you may get married to one of them within an year. So I'm seeing a very good marriage proposal is coming in. But at the same time, I'm seeing that marriage, if it is, if you will, if I talk about marriage or relationship, the best time, get married right away, because next 2.5 months, 3 months are like golden time for your life, married life. If you love someone, you want to propose, or if you have crush on someone and you want to go ahead and want to ask for date, go ahead, because this is the best time. I don't see, looking at your situation, I'm thinking that they wouldn't be able to tell you no. They would say yes, okay, you want to date, okay, I'll date you. So like that it is. And if you want to get married, you will get many good proposals, and you can get married in next 3 to 4 months, very quick. And also a good time for family expandation, like if you are not getting children for a long time, you both are husband and wife trying for getting children, or conceiving, for according to conceiving, yeah, I come to the conceiving part, it would be the best time. If you have some health issues, mental imbalance or something like that, some mental insomnia problem, these health issues would go away, because you, for Jupiter is affecting quite a good on your horoscope, or on your, I mean to say, on your sign. So there, because of Jupiter, you can also get rid of your diseases, so you can go for a treatment and it would be effective. Like treatment would be effective probably. Before, when you go for treatment, there were no I there were nothing, no result, you did not get any result. But now if you go for a treatment, I think it would affect you well, and you would be cured soon. And marriage, the best time, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups. I'll say, if you want to get married with anyone, propose them, ask them for marriage, convince them a bit, they would say yes. If you love someone, if you don't love someone, your soulmate is coming in your way, like they would be entering in your life in next 2.5 months, and you would get married very soon, like within an year, and it would be a very good marriage, like a happy married life. And if you are already married, then plan for children. And if you are not getting children, you are planning for it for a long time, you are not able to, somebody has some conceiving problem or something, problem will go off. You can definitely go for treatment, and this the cure time would be very fast. So that is what I am getting. um Rest, I'm seeing that if you are in business, you can definitely go ahead and take risk, because business, I'm not seeing that you would lose in business, but there won't be too much profit also, but you won't lose money. So you would get one of the other concepts, some new ideas, and you would be successful in the business. There would be some conflicts in your house, or your family members, with your family members or friends, and in your office, wherever you work, there would be some conflicts. So that conflicts you have to avoid, because I'm seeing that argument and conflicts would be there. So you have to avoid that. Just avoid arguing with anyone, no matter whosoever it is, avoid arguing with them. So that is all about Scorpio. Let's see what is there in Sagittarius, its own Lagnesh, its own house. Sorry guys, dogs are barking and I cannot do anything, because It's street dogs, not my own house dog. And this is night time. Basically, I'm shooting this video in night. It's quite a late, like 1 o'clock in the night. Okay, so so guys, I just paused the video because I have to, like, there were lots of dog barking there. So let's do a Sagittarius reading. So Sagittarius is kind of a Lagnesh of Jupiter is the Lagnesh of Sagittarius. Okay, so Sagittarius, and it is transiting, is happening in second house. So very crucial for your family. So there could be some issues in family, and your family members, one of the family member can be unwell, like they would have some health issues, probably your mother, and you need to take care of your mother well. So that is what I'm seeing here. And but if we talk about marriage, it's an excellent time for marriage. It's an excellent time for marriage. You can get married very easily during this time. And I'm seeing that uh, yes. And marriage is happening within some 3 to 4 months of time. And I am seeing that you are you are even getting some abundance is coming in your way, like probably some property, or somewhere a new job, or somewhere you will find a new place to live, like a house, buying a purchasing a house. Something is happening like that. And if we talk about marriage, the best time marriage, like you are definitely getting married within the few months. Like I'm seeing after December there is a chance. If December 15, there is a chance, high chance, that you will get married. The person, your a dream kind of man or woman is coming in your life, entering in your life after 15th of December. Very good time for marriage and for your career. Like if you want to grow yourself, like in your company, looking for promotion, definitely it would happen this time. But yes, some of your family member would fall sick, and you have to take care of them, and probably it would be your mother. So there could be there could be something with your mother's health. And if you're already married, you can plan for more children. This is a good time. And if you are not planning for children, so I'm seeing some prosperity things are coming in your life, like you would get some money. Suddenly you will find out that you are getting some from somewhere, some money is coming in your life, like some $10,000 or $5,000 you get paid from somewhere. And you probably invested some money somewhere, and that was like you were not expecting that money to come, but it would all of a sudden you will get to know that yes, that investment money is coming back. Probably you lent someone some money, and that would you they will return that money. All of a sudden these things will happen. I am seeing somebody is going out of your life. So probably the person who was actually yeah. So the person who actually basically the person who was there in your life, and probably they were unable to give you commitment, that person and you are kind of releasing each other. So some separation would happen with your ex lover, and or probably you are unable to forget or your ex lover, and that person is, you were trying for quite a long time that how would I forgive or forget this person. But now this is the time, probably this person will move out from your life or your mind or your heart and soul. So you'd be focused on with your focus will go to some other person. Some person is entering and some person is leaving. So this is kind of a situation in your life, love life. So some ex or somebody is going out of your life, and immediately somebody is entering. Probably somebody will replace his place, and you, or whatever the things were there in your mind, and you are unable to release that thing, that sorrow, that pain, you would be able to release that. Very careful. I would say that you need to be very careful regarding health, because there would be a bit of health issues which would happen after this transition. So that is all about Saggy. I'm not seeing much growth or something in Saggys. Let's see. Let's talk about Capricorn. Okay, so let's talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, best time for you if you are looking for promotion. Definitely, you are getting it. So your transit is happening in your first house, and it is entering. Basically, Jupiter is entering in your house. The enter ascendant. So this would be an ascendant. Now all your problem, all everything, whatever the problem till the date you are facing, everything you are getting over of every single problem. This happens once in a 12 years. So congratulations guys, and see this card, see this card, see this card. Sun, Wands, Ace of Wands, see this card. Nine of Pentacles, see this card. Star, King of Wands, Hermit. Every single way, every single way, every single prospect, you have growth. Actually, I don't have to do your reading. Basically, I'll tell you something like very simple thing. Till the date, probably you were unable to put your intelligence in some of the places. You were behind those things. You used to think about something, you were unable to implement it, or you want to implement something, or you want to put some idea, but those ideas were not there with you. Suddenly you will see that there is a magic. Like you are getting some new idea to do your own business, you are getting some new idea to do something new. You are going to office and something happen, and all of a sudden some new project you will get. Like every way, every single way, you will see some support is coming, some support is coming behind, like coming from your back. Like there is a support in back, and somebody is pushing you forward, and you are getting every single prospect, you are getting your wish be fulfilled. This is the best time to do anything. You want to go for higher study, do it. You want to look for a new visa for any other country, do it. You want to get married, do it. You want to purchase property, do it. You would get help from above in this particular time. So Guru is in your first house, so you are lucky, and it happens once in a 12 years. So you are the luckiest now. Whatever things you want to do it. And you will suddenly see some intelligence coming in your life. Like you suddenly become an intelligent person, a very intelligent person. Already you are an intelligent person, you suddenly become a very intelligent person, and you are thinking in a different way, you are implementing everything in a different way. Your life is not hassles or something like that. You are hassle free. You are doing taking very mature decision for you and your family also, and too much of prosperity, too much of everything. If you don't have job, you will get job. Start your own career, new you want to start your new career, it's best time. Go for a higher study, yes. Go for scholarship, yes. Want to get married with your person? Yes, definitely yes. You want to propose somebody, go ahead and propose. They will not say no, they will say yes. Best time. I don't want to saturate it, or I don't want to exaggerate it or something, like I want to make it a long story. Everything is fine with you, Capricorn. Best time. Congratulations, guys. This is the time to become star, become your own star. Whatever your wishes are, fulfill it. Your health, your appearance, everything will change now. Everything will change. You are luckiest in the earth now, all Capricorns. Please do whatever you wish to. Now we'll go for reading for 12th house transition for Aquarius. Aquarius, your transition is happening in 12th house. Aquarius, your transit is happening in 12th house. Okay. So there would be some inner soul focused. I'm seeing that you will involve into spirituality too. Inner soul focused, and there would be something like you will do something very new. And definitely your parents will help you in this process. If you are looking for a new job, definitely yes, this is the best time to look for a new job and new love. And you are trying, you will get your twin flame, twin soul very soon. You will get your twin flame, twin soul. You will meet your true soulmate, past life true soulmate, and they would say yes for marriage. If you already found them and they were saying they were not giving you commitment, they are going to say yes for marriage. So after this transition, things are quite good, and you will find a new love. If you are single, then you will find a new love. If you are already married, I am seeing some money is coming in your way, in whichever the way, like you want to do some new business or something, some money is coming. There would be something with the subconscious mind. I'm seeing you would tend to do, like tend to sleep a lot. So avoid sleeping, avoid becoming lazy, because that is like, this is the time when you can become lazy, quite a lazy, and you can actually lose your opportunity. So don't you lose your opportunity just becoming a lazy bird. And I'm seeing that you would probably sleep a lot, so avoid doing that. Otherwise I'm seeing all good, like you will find your true soulmate. If you are looking for visa, even I'm seeing that you will get your visa to some other country and travel down to some other country, and you will also get some money. I won't say that would be a huge money, but you will get some good amount of money through doing something new. So probably you will start your new venture or new business. Now I'm seeing for marriage also, you will find out your true soulmate. I won't say that marriage would be very quick, little bit marriage would happen late, but you will find your true soulmate. If you are single, then you will find your true soulmate. If you are not a single person, then you will find your if you already have someone in your life, they probably ask you for marriage, they may propose you for marriage. So communication things are good. If you are already in communication field, like you are teacher, lecturer, or somebody doctor or medical practitioners, or someone like a reporter or a journalist, so your career growth would be very huge during this time. Only thing is you need to also avoid um argument, because I'm seeing there would be some argument with your family members or your friends, and you would have this mental pressure or mental depression. You will go into mental depression, and because of that you will sleep a lot. So that thing you have to avoid going for argument with anyone. Rest of the things I'm seeing very good for Capricorn. There is nothing much to say about Capricorn. I would say that this is very good time, and you are finding your true soulmate. You will know who is your true soulmate. If you had any confusion earlier, like who is my true soulmate, is this person is my true soulmate or not, you will suddenly get a way that you will know that this is your true soulmate or not. So this is all about Capricorn. Sorry, this is all about Aquarius, not Capricorn. Now I would quickly move to Pisces. Let's see, last but not the least, what is happening with Pisces. Let's see what is there with Pisces. Pisces, for you, I'm seeing that you are going to find out your true soulmate very quick, and after this transition, definitely I'm seeing that your marriage is also quite quick. Within an year, you will get married with your desired soulmate, whichever the kind of desired soulmate. Like if you want a Prince Charming, you will get some kind of 70-80% Prince Charming only. This is funny, but actually this is going to happen with you. And I'm seeing Knight of Pentacles, so there would be some money coming in your life. And Seven of Pentacles, the money you waited for a long time, the abundance you waited for a long time, the financial status you waited for a long time, this is going to happen in your life. And I'm seeing that you are getting somebody from social media, some good friends you will get from social media. You will communicate with them, and some you will make some friends on social media. Also will make some people, like you will have a love relationship starting from social media. So you probably meet somebody who are a social media person, and basically who would from Instagram or Facebook, or somewhere like jivansathi.com, or somewhere some matrimony like shadi.com. You will find out somebody from the some matrimonial site, or dating site, or somebody, and you will start speaking with them. There would be a very positive communication, and after few months you both will get married to each other. If you are involved into some legal matter, things won't go according to you. I am seeing that the opposite party will win the case. And if I'm seeing there is like some new beginning happening in your career, like whichever the job you are in now, you would look for some another job, and you would be successful in the interview, and you will get some new offer, job offer. And if you are a fresher until now, you did not have any job, you did not do any full-time job, there would be chances to get a full-time job. So this is what is happening. So there were few people who were very confused about their soulmate, like who is my true soulmate, is that person already there in my life or not. And I would say that person is coming, they are actually entering in your life next 1.5 months to 2 months time. Your true soulmate, your past life true soulmate. So that's what I can see for Pisces. Altogether a good time. Moreover, a social media focused time. You are getting friends, you are making friends on social media, you are getting somebody from social media, and getting married also from social media, which is a good thing also. So I'm seeing altogether good. And and your Prince Charming, the person you used to imagine that this person would be like this, or your princess of dream, that person, such type of person is coming in your way. So like if you think that, oh, I will get a very good looking man or woman, so that person would be very good looking. So the kind of person you wish to get married with, that type of person you will meet now. So that's all about Pisces. Quite a good thing is happening during this transition. Hopefully my reading was like you were satisfied with my reading. If you liked my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and like and share. Also write below to my videos. Thank you and have a blessed day and God bless you.